Dream of helping others hear the world around them? Let's explore how you can become an audiologist. Audiologists diagnose and treat hearing and balance disorders, fitting hearing aids and providing auditory therapy. Start with a bachelor's degree in a related field like science, biomedical science, health science, or arts, with a major in linguistics, may prepare you for further study required. Complete a master's program such as Master of Clinical Audiology that is accredited by a professional body like Audiology Australia. Undertake in a 1-year clinical internship supervised by an experienced audiologist. Upon completion, you will be eligible to be certified as an accredited audiologist with Audiology Australia and can work as a qualified practitioner, QP. Audiologists need great communication skills and patience. Opportunities abound in clinics, hospitals, and private practices. Ready to make a profound impact? Train to become an audiologist and open up a world of sound for those who need it most. Start your journey today by reaching out your nearest AUG office